Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Check your ISP status on your phone or ask a neighbor and verify your account is active. Next, power cycle the modem and router. Unplug both, wait 30 seconds, plug the modem back, wait 60 seconds, then the router. Once done, connect a laptop via Ethernet to the modem to see if you have internet. That separates Wi-Fi issues from upstream connectivity problems. Make sure cables are fully seated and indicator lights show normal operation. With the modem and router running, diagnose the local network. On your device, forget the Wi-Fi network and rejoin to clear cache settings. This solves many authentication glitches. Log into the router's admin page using its IP to confirm DHCP is assigning addresses and that DNS entries are correct. Switch to public DNS if needed. Update the device's Wi-Fi drivers and the router firmware. Outdated software often causes connectivity drops. Once updated, reboot devices. If problems persist, back up your router settings and perform a factory reset to remove hidden misconfigurations, then reapply essential settings like SSID and password. Test Wi-Fi with a different device and try tethering your phone. If tethering works, the issue is local to the router or original device. Finally, collect basic logs, router status page, error lights, and the Ethernet test result, and contact your ISP. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see no internet, try switching DNS to 1 or 8 before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.